Hello everyone, and thank you for participating in this class. I am Michaela Miller. Many of you already know me from the circulation desk at the library. During this class, please feel free to call me Michaela or Mrs. Miller, whichever you feel more comfortable with. This class will begin with a short survey of your current knowledge with Carl Discovery. This is not graded, so please be as honest as possible in your answers so I know where you may need extra help. You'll find the survey by clicking on the Google Forms link in the comment section below. Please use this table of contents to refer back to relevant slides if you need to in the future. The goal of this class is to build your confidence within Carl Discovery and to encourage remote, independent library account activity. We have 8 objectives for today's class. They start from logging in and go through the various functions that you'll need to know within Carl Discovery. Please take a few moments and go over them to see where this lesson will lead you today. Catalog navigation. We're going to begin by navigating from our homepage, wppl.org, to your account in Carl Discovery. We'll begin by opening up an internet browser. From here, we'll locate the URL address bar at the top of the screen. Once we locate this, we'll type in the URL for our homepage, which is www.wppl.org, and then we'll press enter. This will lead you to our homepage, which you may be familiar with. From here, we'll locate the green My Account button, which is located on the right-hand side of the screen. We'll also locate the Books and More tab, which will lead you to the Search the Catalog button. Both of these buttons will lead you to Carl Discovery, where you'll be able to access your account, place things on hold, renew your items, and suggest purchases. From the Carl Discovery Catalog page, we can log into our accounts. To log in, first we must locate our library card numbers. If you're a resident with us, you'll have a white library card, and this number will be on the back. If you're an Orange County reciprocal member, you will have a green library card, and this number will also be on the back. If you're a Maitland reciprocal member, this number will be the same as your Maitland number as your card is used in both libraries. If you're an Olin reciprocal member, your R card number serves as your Winter Park card number by replacing the R with a 0. From our Carl Discovery catalog screen, find the Login button. This will be in the gray bar on the very top of the page on the right-hand side. If your page is magnified, you will have to scroll over and up to find the Login button. Once you locate the Login button, click it to make the white Login box appear. In the first field, you're going to put your 14-digit library card number. In the second field, you're going to put your last name with the first letter capitalized. The card that I'm signing in as today belongs to Frodo Baggins, so I'm going to write the 14-digit library card first. And then I'm going to write the last name Baggins with a capital B. From here, you can decide if you want the computer to remember your library card number when you're logging in by checking the Remember Me box. I personally don't think I want to check that today, but that's up to you if you would like to. Next, press the Login button. We're now logged into our accounts. You can tell that you're logged into your account in the upper right-hand corner because instead of saying log in, it will say log out and will also have your first name next to the word account. Next, let's edit personal account information. From our personal Carl Discovery web pages, we can edit this information. We start by locating the Account Information button in the upper right-hand corner next to the Log Out button. This button is going to say Your Name, Account. We are logged in as Frodo Baggins, so it says Frodo's Account. We're going to click on this button, and it's going to bring you to your account summary. From the account summary, make sure contact information is highlighted in orange. From here, we can edit any of this information. Today, we're going to edit our phone number by either copying and pasting the original phone number into the alternate phone number field, or by retyping it, whichever you're more comfortable with. I am going to copy and paste, then go down to the bottom and press Save. This will save any changed information. Please keep in mind that when changing your address information, you will be prompted to show your new proof of address upon your next visit to the library. Now we can try searching by topic, title, and format. If you're already in your account information, it's easy to navigate back to the regular public catalog. All we have to do is click on this area that says Winter Park Public Library in the blue banner on the top of the screen. This will lead us to our regular search area. From here, I'm going to show you how to do advanced searches to find what you're looking for fast and easily. In the blue bar, we're going to see the Advanced button. This is a button that you click on to search by specific categories. Today, I've decided that I want to search for a movie that I might not know the title for. Maybe I just know one of the words or what it's roughly about. So I'm going to do a topic or subject search. I'll start by clicking on the Advanced button. From here, this will lead me to Advanced Boolean Searching. Now that's a lot of complicated words that you can ask about later. I'm going to show you the easiest way to search by subject. This area right here is going to limit it to subject. It may be on a different area, so it could be on any fields. If it's on any field, all you have to do is press it and search for subject again. This should remain the same. It only has a few options, but as long as it says contains, that's exactly what we're looking for. Now, today, I want to search for a movie that has to do with dogs. Maybe I saw it in the past and I can't remember it, but I want to search for it to see if maybe I can remember the title. So I'm going to type in DOGS and then press Advanced Search. Now, this will lead me to a whole lot of options. Let's see, how many pages? 126 pages. But I know that I'm looking for a DVD. Now, to only get the DVDs as options, I'm going to go to the panel on the left-hand side and find the word Format. If you click on it, it's going to have a drop-down, and it's going to give you all the formats that are available within the library. So I'm going to click on DVD. Now this is going to lower it to any DVDs, but it's still going to have children's DVDs and adult DVDs, new DVDs, and old DVDs. So this is a way to find an item that if you don't know exactly where it would be or exactly what the title is, you can search through and find whatever you're looking for. Now I happen to know that the item that I'm looking for, because I did this search previously, is all the way on the 5th page, because I'm looking for the movie Dog Days right here. Now, I could search through all 5 pages and finally come up to Dog Days if I didn't actually know the title. But if I do know the title and I want to know if it's available, I can also go back to the advanced search, select title instead of subject, and then put Dog Days. And then once again, click advanced search. Now this will also give me a whole lot of options for any sort of format. So once again, we're going to go to the left-hand panel, find format, and click on DVD. Now what's going to come up is going to be a much shorter list. We still have 1 page, but we found our DVD, Dog Days, much quicker. This is a way to search by topic, title, and format. As I said before, there's many ways to search this catalog, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to call Circulation or Research and we can assist you. Placing holds within Carl Discovery is simple and easy. Let's start from our previous search page for dog days. To find the item, we already searched, and now all I have to do is click on Dog Days. By clicking, it leads me to a separate page where I can see a summary, the title, a picture of the DVD cover, and then various other options. Now, I might want to know before I place the hold if the item is currently checked out or if I'll be getting the item very soon. To find this information, go to All Copies in the left-hand side and look for the green Checked In or Checked Out status. If it's checked in, you can expect the hold to be ready for you within 24 hours. If it's checked out, it could be a week or more before the hold is ready to be fulfilled. So since it is checked in, I can expect that I'll get this hold within 24 hours, and I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go back to the orange Place Hold button in the middle of the screen and click. This will lead me to the Place a Hold Pickup Location screen. Since there is only one location for Winter Park Public Library, all we have to do from here is click Submit Hold. And you've placed your item on hold. To renew an item in Carl Discovery, first we must access our account information. To do this, go to Your Name's Account button in the upper right-hand corner. From here, we're going to look for the Account Activity tab. If this tab is not already selected, click it to select the area. In Account Activity, we can see what loans we currently have out. For example, Frodo Baggins has out Dog Days and Emma. To renew a loan, we must locate the orange Renew Loan button and click. I have just renewed Dog Days for Frodo Baggins. Clicking that button will not renew Emma. Each item must be individually renewed with the orange Renew Loan button. If you do renew the loan with the button and it does not renew, the item might be on hold for another patron. If you have questions about this, please call Circulation. From the Carl Discovery webpage, we can now suggest new purchases. To do this, we start by locating the Suggest a Purchase button. The Suggest a Purchase button is located at the top middle of the screen in the same gray area as the Login and Log Out buttons and the Account Information buttons. We're going to click on the Suggest a Purchase button, and that will prompt us to the Suggest a Title form. This form has blank fields for you to fill out. And remember, any field that has a red star is necessary and is required for submission. I'm going to submit the title, Lock and Key. So I'll start with the title. It is a required field. I'm going to type Lock and Key. And then I'm going to look at the format. I would like the format of print. This may be different. If you're suggesting a DVD, you would suggest DVD. If you're suggesting a CD, you would check music. Since what I'm suggesting is a print book, I'm going to select print. Next, we're going to look at the author. I know the author is Joe Hill, so I'm going to type that in. I also happen to know the ISBN, so I'll type that in as well. And the publisher is Penguin Random House. I don't happen to know the publication date, but I also want to select the branch. I know Winter Park Library only has one location, so this might be confusing. Just know if it ever says to select a branch, always suggest Winter Park Library. Now, if there's anything else of note that might help us purchase the item faster, you should put it in the notes field. For Lock and Key, I'm going to note that a Netflix series was recently based off of this series. After this, I'm going to go down and find the blue Submit button and click. This suggestion is now being processed, and you'll be contacted within 4 weeks. Once we're done doing what we need to do in our library accounts, it is important to remember to log out if you're using a public computer or if you're using a computer that other people also use. Logging out is very simple. All we have to do is locate the Log Out button in the upper right-hand corner in the gray bar and click Log Out. With one click, we're logged out of the account, and it's also a good practice to close your browser. Thank you very much. Thank you for participating in today's lesson. Before you go, please take a moment to take a short post-lesson survey that is linked in the live chat below. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at michaela18@usf.edu